Wait. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make some money on the internet without doing anything in 2024. Not necessarily doing anything, but you're going to do just a little task. Yes, my name is Kudungacho of SAS Media Studio. On this channel, we create lessons relating to affiliate marketing, website development, okay, making passive money online, cryptocurrency. All right, cryptocurrency just added. Yes, so you can check out the cryptocurrency video, code emails, okay, affiliate marketing, internet hacks and tricks, website development, email marketing, business marketing, and yes, so that is it. So that's basically what I do on this channel. So please subscribe and just turn on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. So now there's no time to waste. Now let's get into it. Yes, so now I am taking it to Fiverr. All right, so I'm going to show you the amount of money people are making on Fiverr. Okay, so Fiverr is a platform where people can sell their services, right? So when you come to fiverr.com, all right, so you have to hover your pointer on video and animation. Okay, when you come to the editing and post-production section, you're going to see subtitles and captions. Just click on that. Now scroll down and check here, so you can see that this guy is charging $10 for one video captioning. Okay, so you can see English subtitles or captions. The question someone will be asking, how can I do this, how can I do this? I'm going to show you how you can do this. All right, so don't worry at all. All right, so you can see this is charging $10, $5, $15. So this is also charging $20, and this is charging $45. Yes, $45. So now I am going to be opening some of the services, all right, including the $5 and the $45, and let's check out something. All right, so now when I open the $10, so looking at this section, it says $10 save up, okay, with subscribe to save. So bronze includes 0 to 5 minutes, so he's going to subtitle your 5-minute video and he is going to charge $10. Yes, just 5-minute video, and it's going to charge $10. So when you go to the standard version, it's going to charge $40 for 5-minute to 10-minute video. Now when you go to the premium section, it's going to charge $75 for 10-minute to 25-minute video, right? So now let's go to this, the same thing. This is going to charge up to 5 minutes, $10, just like the other one. The standard is charging $15 for up to 10 minutes. The premium is charging 20 minutes. Okay, he's charging $30 for 20 minutes. All right, so now let's come back to this section. Got it? He's charging 60 seconds long video. He's charging $13. Okay, the standard, he's charging $63 for 5 edited videos up to 5 minutes. All right, so 60 seconds long each video edited with this. Okay, and that is it. He is going to charge this amount. When I go to this, now I will edit TikTok videos, short and reels with captions. All right, so he's going to charge one Instagram reels for $5 and up to just 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute video is charging $5. Up to 1 minute video is charging 6 Instagram reels. So he's going to edit basically 6 minutes of video and is going to charge $30. So when you check this, you can see he has gotten 26 orders. So that means, let's say he was able to do this for 26 times. Just let's calculate. So calculator, so that will be basically 26 multiplied by 5. He's making, he's making $130, right? I just chose the $5. What about he was able to get this for $30? Okay, so just imagine. I'm gonna clear this. So 26 multiplied by $30 is making $780. So you can actually get a lot of sales, a lot of money doing this. It is really easy, and I'm going to show you how to do this. It's damn easy. All right, so you can see, yes, this guy is charging $45 for 1 minute video, for just 1 minute video. All right, he's going to write English under this. All right, and he's going to charge $45 for just 1 minute video. So just imagine, okay, just imagine. And he was, let me check, he has gotten 22 orders. Okay, so just imagine, so 22 multiplied by $45 is making 990 bucks, $990. Right, so I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you how you can create these captions. Now, if you want to learn how to create a Fiverr account, a seller Fiverr account, I'll leave a link to the video at the description down below, and also at the first comment. All right, so check it out, all right, and learn how to create a seller account. So basically, your client is going to give you a video, okay, he has created, and he will ask you to write a subtitle or a caption under the video. So whenever the person is speaking the video, then the letters or the words will be showing beneath the video. You understand? So that is what you are going to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very, very simple. You don't need any tech idea to do this. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so we are going to do this with CapCut. You can access this on your mobile phone, you can access it on the internet, you can access it, you can download the app on your computer and use the CapCut. Okay, so whatever way you are going to use to access CapCut, you can follow along on this video or with this video. Right, so let's get into it. So I'm going to skip this. So now I need to log in into this. Okay, I have already logged in, so you can see over here. So if you are new, you just have to sign up. So let me sign out over here, then let me show you how to do this. All right, if you have the phone, there's no need to sign up. All right, that is it. You can continue to with TikTok. You get it? So now you can just sign up with your email over here, or better, so you can click on connect with Google. All right, so you select your Google account or use a different account. So I'm going to use this as my Google account, and I'm going to sign up. I'm going to log in. So it's very simple. All right, very, very simple to do on this platform. Right, so when you sign in into this platform, all you have to do is just click on create new. All right, and click on blank canvas. All right, so now since I'm basically new, they are going to show me how to use this. So next and okay, so and okay again. All right, so this is it. Right, so now we need to upload the video that you want to edit over here. All right, or you have to just drag it over here. You upload it over here, or better, so here, that's all going to work fine. So this is your workspace, and this is the tools you can use, and this is where you can access. When you click on the tools, this is where you are going to edit it. All right, so now I am going to upload a video. All right, so the video that we want to work on, the video that we want to write the captioning beneath it. All right, so now I am going to this section. Okay, I'm going to open a folder that contains my video. So this is the folder. I'm just going to pick, I drag it and just put it at this section. Please, you can do this using your phone. All right, so it's not only computer. All right, so that is it. So this is a course overview, okay, of my SMTP course. All right, so if you want to join my SMTP course, you can just check the description down below. You see my contact details, just contact me, whether Skype, Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. You can contact me and I will reply. All right, so now the video has been uploaded. Right, so now when I click on the video, it is going to be, inserted at the timeline over here. So that is it. So the video is just 33 seconds long. So we are going to play this video.
Email service.
So I'm going to edit the intro aspect.
Walk.
So I don't want to welcome. So I'm going to just use this to split it. Then I'm going to, it's okay. So I'm going to delete that. Just clicking here, and that's all. So back here.
Welcome to this wonderful course. In this course, we are going to learn how to build email service. This is the greatest expert guidance you would ever get online.
So this is it. So this is the video you are going to write the subtitle or the caption beneath. All right, so you can see there's nothing here. When the video was playing, you didn't see any letter over here. So that is it. So I'm going to select this, then I'm going to click on captions over here. So now, as you can see, we have auto captions, we have the manual caption, and you have upload file. If you already have a file, you can upload it. Then you have the auto lyrics. So I'm going to click on the auto caption. Then it is, the language is English. So now when I select here, this is English. So let's say the person is speaking Arabic. You can, or you want, the person want Arabic. Okay, the person is speaking Arabic and the person wants you to caption it in Arabic. You are going to choose this. If it's Bengali, you are going to choose this. Dutch, Chinese, English, German. Unfortunately, there's no tree. So Thai, Turkish, Spanish, Russia, Romania, Portuguese, any language, most of the languages. All right. So that is it. So what about if the person is speaking English but want a translation in other languages? I'll show you how you can do this, so don't worry at all. All right, so now this is English, so I'm going to use the English version of this to what caption it. So I'm going to click on generate, and it is going to do the magic of generating the text for me, okay, the caption for me. So that is it. So you can see, so we can edit how it looks. All right, so now let's change how you want it to look like. We need to change the color of this so that you see it is overlapping on the red and on the white over here, so you cannot see the font really well. All right, so you just have to click on the basic text over here, the basic over here. You can change the type of the text that you want. So let's say I want this. Let's say I want this. I'm going to select that. Or let's say I want Poppins. Let's say I want this. Yes, I want going to select that. Then let's say I want background. Okay, I can just select any of the backgrounds. Okay, and it can be like this. Or better, so let's say I don't want the background. I can click on stroke, then add some strokes to it like this. You understand? Or better, if I don't want it, I want to change the text color, and just change the text color like this. You understand? So let's see, this is what I want. All right, so that is it. So now we have to listen to what this guy is saying or what I am saying. Then we compare with the letters beneath it or the caption beneath it. So if there is an error, you just quickly change it. That's very simple. All right, so now when I click on this,
Welcome to this wonderful course.
So you can see it worked fine. So welcome to this wonderful course. It worked fine. So now let's continue.
Course. In this course, we are going to learn how to build email service.
So now I said email service, but it gave me email service. So we are going to change that to service. You understand? So that's what we are going to do. So now we are okay with that. Then you just click on this side and you change it. All right, so let's click here to
service. This is the greatest expert guidance you would ever get online or from any course. At the end of this course, you should be able to create your own email service.
So now you still have the email service over here. So when I bring it back, you can see email service over here. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, then I'm going to change it or at this section. You can see the caption section. This is it. So I'm going to change it service. I'm going to copy that in case I meet it somewhere again. So play.
You should be able to create your own email service or build your own email service.
So you can see another server over here. Okay, a service over here. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to change it. So I'm going to paste what I copied. All right. So now
yes, using two different methods. The first method we are going to use
So I said the first method and it gave me the first metal. So because of the phonetics, so I'm just going to change it to method. All right, let's go.
First method we are going to use mail.
So I read mail as written over here, and you can see it over here. So I'm going to select that. Then I'm going to change it that I read mail, and that's it. Okay,
I read mail. The second method we are going.
So the second method is still okay. So I'm going to change that as well to method or method. Play.
The second method we are going to use mail in a box. I know
it should be mail in a box, not mail in a box, not mail. So that is it. So I'm going to just click here, okay, and change it to mail and how it is written on the screen is this. So I'm going to just do that, and that's all. So play.
Email in a box. I know you are ready. Now let's get into it. Welcome to this wonderful.
And that is it. So let's watch it over again and let's see if we did the magic. So play.
Welcome to this wonderful course. In this course, we are going to learn how to build email service. This is the greatest expert guidance you would ever get online or from any course. At the end of this course, you should.
So you can see that everything is working perfectly and perfectly fine, right? So I would love to change this once again. So I'm going to change the color again. I'm going to change it to white, then change this to black. That's cool. All right, so that is it. So now, since we are done, we need to just click on the export over here, and that is it. All right, so you click on download to download, or you can just send it to TikTok direct. You can send it to TikTok Ads Manager. You can send it to YouTube or YouTube Short. You can use this as your YouTube videos. All right, you can go and find the images and make your voice, whatever. So this is for this particular thing. We are using it for Fiverr. You want to use it as a service. Okay, so you need to download it. So click on the download. Then you can see the size is over here. You can click here and choose extra size. That is for TikTok. I can select that 1080p. Okay, then click on export over here, and you can see it is saving my video. Because I chose 1080p, it will take a little time as compared to 720p. So now, as you can see, so when I click over here, so this is it. So when I click to open the video, it's going to open the video to play. And make it a little bit smaller.
Welcome to this wonderful course. In this course, we are going to learn how to build email service. This is the greatest expert guidance you would ever get online or from any course. At the end of this course,
so you can see the captions over here. So that is basically how to do this. All right, so go and create the Fiverr seller account and create a gig of its sort. Okay, so you are just going to create a gig. So when I click to switch to selling, okay, so I created this account when I was creating that video. All right, so basically I was just playing around with stuff. All right, so you can just come to the my business section and click on gigs. All right, so now you see these are gigs, and you can see no clicks because I have closed this account for a very long time. So you can click on create a new gig, then you follow the video. All right, so I've already made a video on this. All right, I've already made a video on this. Go and watch that video, okay, on how to do this, and that is all. Then wait for the magic to happen. Okay, that is how you can make money just captioning videos. Okay, so how can you get people to caption their videos? So you can basically go to YouTube, you can basically go to TikTok, you can basically go to LinkedIn, you can go to Facebook, Instagram. You find small businesses. When you find businesses, then you interact with the business. Okay, if they have created videos that they want to caption their videos, you can also make money there. And this too, you can also make money on Fiverr. Okay, so maybe in the future I'll be creating video. If you love it, in the future I'll be creating a video on how to get small businesses and contact them, interact with them, and see if they can give you such services for you to work. But on Fiverr you can make a substantial amount on Fiverr. All right, yes, on Fiverr. All right, so please like this video if you enjoyed it. All right, if you like the video, that gives me encouragement that you love such content, so I should keep on creating such content for you. Also subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you are going to be notified. Thank you, and let's meet again. Goodbye.